Early one season, a farmer stands in his maize field, worry etched on his face as the young plants struggle to grow. He searches for answers, reading articles and watching videos about how to revive his field. That's when he discovers the power of urea fertilizer, a simple change that could transform his harvest. With hope renewed, he carefully applies urea to the base of each maize plant, following best practices he's learned. Days pass, and the maize begins to change. Leaves turn a vibrant green, stalks grow tall and strong. The farmer smiles, watching his field thrive, proof that a little knowledge and the right fertilizer can make all the difference. At harvest, he celebrates a bumper crop, his hard work and new knowledge rewarded with golden maize. Urea fertilizer, sometimes the smallest changes lead to the biggest rewards.